James Arthur David Hope, Baron Hope of Craighead, KT, PC, FRSE, is a retired Scottish judge who served as the first Deputy President of the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom from 2009 until his retirement in 2013, having previously been the second Senior Lord of Appeal in Ordinary. In 2015, he became the convener of the Crossbench peers in the House of Lords. Early life. Hope was born on the 27th of June 1938 to Edinburgh lawyer Arthur Henry Cecil Hope OBE, W.S. and Muriel Ann Nielsen Hope, and educated at Edinburgh Academy and Rugby School. After national service as an officer with the Seaforth Highlanders between 1957 and 1959, rising to lieutenant, he was an open scholar at St John's College, Cambridge in 1959 and graduated B.A. in 1962. He then returned to Scotland and studied at the Faculty of Law of the University of Edinburgh, graduating L.B. in 1965. In 1966, Hope married Catherine Mary Kerr, daughter of solicitor Mark Kerr W.S., with whom he has twin sons and a daughter. Hope was admitted as an advocate in 1965 and became a Queen's Counsel in 1978. He served as standing junior counsel in Scotland to the Board of the Inland Revenue from 1974 to 1978, and as an advocate depute from 1978 to 1982, prosecuting cases on behalf of the Crown. Between 1985 and 1986, he was chairman of the Medical Appeal Tribunal and the Pensions Appeal Tribunal, and from 1986 to 1989 was Dean of the Faculty of Advocates, the Bench and later Public Life. In 1989, Hope became a Senator of the College of Justice, taking the judicial title Lord Hope, and was appointed directly to the offices of Lord President of the Court of Session and Lord Justice General, Scotland's highest judge. He was made a Privy Councillor at this time, and was awarded a life peerage in the 1995 New Year Honours, his title being gazetted as Baron Hope of Craighead, of Banff in the district of Perth and Kinross on the 28th of February 1995. In 1996, the Lord Hope of Craighead retired as Lord President to become a Lord of Appeal in Ordinary, and was succeeded by the Lord Roger of Earlsferry. On the 21st of April 2009, he was appointed second Senior Law Lord, succeeding Lord Hoffman. On the 1st of October 2009, Hope became one of the first Justices of the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom, and its first Deputy President. He retired from that position on the 26th of June 2013. In November 2014 it was announced that Lord Hope would be appointed as Lord High Commissioner to the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland in 2015. Honours. The Lord Hope of Craighead has been Chancellor of the University of Strathclyde since 1998, and was appointed a Fellow in 2000. He stepped down as Chancellor in October 2013. He was awarded an honorary L.D. by the University in 1993, and by the University of Aberdeen in 1991 and the University of Edinburgh in 1995. In 2007, he was awarded the David Kelby Award by the Institute of Contemporary Scotland. He was formerly an honorary professor of law at the University of Aberdeen, and is an honorary member of the Canadian Bar Association and of the Society of Legal Scholars, an honorary fellow of the American College of Trial Lawyers, and an honorary bencher of Gray's Inn and of the Inn of Court of Northern Ireland. He is also, as of 2008, the honorary president of the Edinburgh Student Law Review. On St Andrew's Day, the 30th of November 2009, Lord Hope was appointed to the Order Order of the Thistle by Queen Elizabeth II. The Order of the Thistle is the highest chivalric honour in Scotland. In the UK as a whole it is second only to the Order of the Garter amongst chivalric orders. The order honours Scottish men and women who have held public office or who have contributed in some way to national life. Notable cases: as Deputy President of the Supreme Court, RV Jewish Free School UKSC 1 discrimination in school admissions on religious grounds, RV Commissioner of Police of the Metropolis UKSC 3 criminal records checks and right to respect for private and family life, BAV Secretary of State UKSC 7 right of appeal against deportation orders, Gizda CYFV Barrett UKSC 41 employment contracts as against general contracts, CADA VHM Advocate UKSC 43 police detention of suspects, HJ&HTV Home Secretary UKSC 31 homosexuality in asylum claims, HM Treasury v Ahmed UKSC 2 strikes Treasury orders related to UNSC 1267 Committee, Jones v Caney UKSC 13 immunity from suit of expert witnesses, Fraser v HM Advocate UKSC 24 role of the UK Supreme Court in Scots criminal law, as Lord of Appeal in ordinary RV Woolen 1 AC 82 indirect intention, Lubber v Cape plc 1 WLR 1545 tortious liability of shareholders, Bruton v London and Quadrant Housing Trust 1 AC 406 rights of landlords and tenants, White v White 1 AC 596 distribution of property on divorce, DGFD v First National Bank plc UKHL 52 unfair contractual terms and the construction of unreviewable core terms, Wilson v First County Trust Limited UKHL 40 impact of the Consumer Credit Act 1974 on pawnshop dealers' human rights, Campbell v Mirror Group Newspapers Limited UKHL 22 right to privacy and confidentiality, Chester v Afshire UKHL 41 patient's right to give fully informed consent, Archibald v Fife Council UKHL 32 reasonable adjustments for the disabled, Jackson v Royal Bank of Scotland UKHL 3 remoteness, Respectrum Plus Limited UKHL 41 definition of floating charge, Jackson v Attorney General UKHL 56 fox hunting ban, J&Amp H. Ritchie Limited v Lloyd Limited UKHL 9 Sale of Goods Act 1979, Section 35 and measure of damages for poor quality after repair, Stack v Dowden UKHL 17 beneficial interest in the family home on divorce, The Achilles UKHL 48 remoteness, Austin v Commissioner of Police of the Metropolis UKHL 5 kettling of protesters, Chartbrook Limited v Persimmon Homes Limited UKHL 38 influence of pre-contractual negotiations on construction, as Lord President West v Secretary of State for Scotland 1992 SC 385 Scots Judicial Review, as Lord Justice General Jameson v HM Advocate 1994 JC 88 Rape and Consent, Ross v HM Advocate 1991 JC 210 Automatism.